Minister N. Biren Singh today announced a financial assistance of 1,000 rupees per head for all internally displaced persons in Manipur under the fifth phase of the government's initiative ahead of the Ningol Chakoba festival, which falls on November 3. He also assured the salaries and pensions for state employees would be disbursed before October 31. The announcement was made during a press conference held at the Minister's Secretariat in the presence of the Council of Ministers and several MLAs.
PMO gi makha da lai ba paisa ji khara pikpuna 1.3 muktang oi banina madudagi access khara yum moina leiba yana ba PO na khoi home minister another moidagi 4 lakhs kumba per houses, especially general gi dana taba displaced persons sing jigi 4 lakh is happy haidana madugi yum lising ani ga chamnga muki tongan ma funding ama ni di aduga punna torkana hujiki school college la level sing tongan ma mafam khara yenge khoi displaced persons sing da hana priority pi daga mogi yum mom thuna saraga privacy line number the priority khoi pi ne number highly similar proposals khoi urban gi area da su urban gi area da su yum sadori si sina general gi ni affected area na taba sigi da su khoi proposal proposal to ba laire urban gi later mems.
During the press conference, the Chief Minister also announced that several delayed projects related to national highways in the state have received clearance. Additionally, the Chief Minister revealed that 1,000 crore rupees was set to be sanctioned for road construction projects in both the hill and valley regions. A separate sum of 175 crore rupees has been released for the construction of concrete roads in Imphal City, Greater Imphal, and areas within a 11-kilometer radius of district headquarters in the hill regions. He also mentioned that housing with privacy for IDPs is in progress. A proposal for urban housing for the general population has been sent for approval.
Project Kunipan Huzik Satariba National Highway Project Kunipan Siki clearance lower Madunda another 1,000 crore 1,000 crore say Quigi highway where to drain later but the highway the Pira impacts Singamagi Matek Hiro Adagi say Lamlongi Hiro Lamlong si Tong overbridge out of the land bay so many things Sugma Mayam Sigi 1,000 crore Machis engineers honorable minister Adal Hori, engineers in the Torkan DPR Kagi, Semakana 1,000 crore to give pin in a vote hill in the valley. Greater Imphal Yauna, a concrete road Hobodore. Concrete road get tender Nunger Lore, loan negotiation gives stays the later. Highly Vasiki Mataka Equina Kainoda, ministry da Equina Smitam Hilgi Lady, but district headquarters in Se. Hilgi Lady, district headquarters in Sigi. Surround at least kilometer train pangi radius issue cement concrete tong nabi aya ba PBU high na to matam da hujiki moi highway singi district headquarters in the selling ba highway sing duma maduma moi na madugi funding moi loi torane duga highway na tabugi alternative funding na akhoi atopa funding lor kanda at least 8 kilometer 8 to 10 11 kilometer district headquarters in Suloina, we cannot haragani concrete road.
Today, a significant search operation was conducted at the Wabugai Buffalo Farm area in Kaching district. During the search operation, officers discovered a concealed cache hidden near the bushes. This cache contained several items believed to be concealed by unknown miscreants. All the items were found inside a white rice bag marked as Top Myanmar Super Quality PP bag. The recovered items included one INSAS rifle without a magazine, one country-made 9mm pistol with a magazine, and 3 carbine magazines. Additionally, 3.36 hand grenades found, 4 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, 4 fired cartridges of INSAS rifle ammunition, and 10 fired cartridges of AK rifle ammunition were also recovered. The team found 2 tear gas grenades, 4 tear gas shells, a Baofeng handheld radio, a bulletproof cover, and a black leather boot. The operation concluded at 11:15 a.m. and a case has been registered at Kaching Police Station for further investigation. Authorities are actively gathering information to trace the origins of the recovered items. Security forces recovered various illegal items enhancing safety in the region. In the Lamzang Forest Hill Range near Bongbal Village, Churachandpur district, officers seized a .303 rifle, 2 live .303 rounds, a .303 magazine, a pump medium withstand, and a single-barrel shotgun 12mm. They also recovered several other incriminating items. In a separate operation in Thoiroilok and its surrounding areas, the security forces recovered 2 locally made pumpy weapons with 5-foot barrels, 2 packs of Gomia power gel, 2 electric detonators, a locally made 9mm pistol with a magazine, 3 improvised hand grenades, and 2 pieces of locally made pumpy ammunition. Yesterday, in a separate incident, the Imphal East District Police arrested 6 members and associates of the KCP PWG in Porompat, Imphal East. The arrested individuals are Oinam Abung Maitei, aged 31 years, Laimapokpam Hari Maitei, aged 53 years, Yaikom Lukhoi Singh, alias Inau, aged 32 years, Oinam Bijen Maitei, aged 25 years, Athopam Irengbam Ongbi Inaubi Devi, alias Nanau, aged 38 years, and Moirangthem Ichan Devi, aged 20 years. Police also recovered several items from their possession, including a 4-wheeler, 2-wheelers, 6 mobile phones, a sling bag, 2 wallets, 2 ID cards, and cash totaling 3,88,950 rupees from their possession. Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra filed her nomination for Wayanad Lok Sabha by-poll today. Vadra was accompanied by Congress leader Sonia Gandhi, leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, her husband Robert Vadra, and other national and state leaders of the party.